Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'll be sharing how to make easy, beautiful, and budget-friendly home decor using items from the Dollar Tree. I love adding a new piece of decor here and there, but sometimes I can't find what I'm looking for or it can get expensive. I know many of you can relate with me, and if you like glam like I do, then this one's for you. I'm really excited with how these DIYs turned out. They match my home perfectly and I saved a lot of money by making them, which is a win-win. For the first DIY, I'm going to start by removing the inside of the frame to add a mirror. I really like this black frame with the silver border because it gives it an elegant look and looks like it costs more than $1. I took out the 8x10 mirror from this silver frame and added it to this one, then closed it back up. This is the paint I like to use on many of my projects. It's from Walmart for $1 and some change. I have it in the color white, pewter gray, and black. You will need a foam brush, and starting off I'm painting thin lines across the center of the mirror. I really like the look of icicles in paintings, so this is what I'm doing until I like what I have. You guys know how much I love painting, so I wanted to incorporate a small piece on my entryway table. Next, I added pewter gray with a new foam brush and followed by adding white paint. This is one of my favorite things to add to my painting, which is silver flake glitter. I added it going across the painting in the center, then for the last step I went over the paint with my foam brush to blend the three colors a little. Now I'm removing the mirror when the paint is dry so I can add the original gloss the picture frame came with so my painting doesn't get damaged. It can easily wash away with water if you scratch it because it's painted on mirrors, so be careful when placing it back on the frame after you add the glass. Here's how my little piece of art turned out, you guys. I'm so happy with the way it looks and how the mirror looks really good with the painting. This frame matches my decor style perfectly, so I had to have it and it would be really nice to display my art. You can use this idea to incorporate your color scheme you have in your home. also painted the Dollar Tree candle holder in black and added rhinestone wrap around it. For the second DIY, I'm going to be using another silver frame, and these are new to Dollar Tree, which I'm happy about because they're already silver and I didn't need to spray paint them. This saves me time and money from having to buy the spray paint. This diamond confetti is from Hobby Lobby and it was $7.99, but I used a 40% off coupon, which made it a really good deal. I hot glued the frame a section at a time so the glue doesn't dry out while I add the little diamonds. This is a Dollar Tree candle holder I made in another DIY video, and I wanted to add the diamond confetti in here for an extra glam look. And here's how I styled them in my guest bedroom. They turned out absolutely beautiful. You can always mix DIYs with your regular store-bought decor, and it makes it look like it's more unique because you won't find the exact same thing in stores or someone else's home. Anything you make is custom and different. This is why I really enjoy making DIYs. These two complement each other perfectly and they're really glam. For the last DIY, I'm going to start by using a wire cutter to remove these little pieces of metal that hold the pictures in. Make sure to gently pull them out because if you're too hard with it, then it could break a piece of the frame off. Now that they're all done, I'm laying them out so I can see the design I want to make, and then I'm going to align them the best I can because this is how it's going to look on the wall. I'm excited to share that there's a surprise giveaway in today's video. I'm thankful for every one of you that watches my videos and leaves me the sweetest and heartwarming messages. I want to show my appreciation and give 4 of you a $25 gift card to Target. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, give this video a thumbs up, and comment anything down below. That's it. I'll announce winners 1 week from today in the description box. Good luck to everyone. I'm going to be gluing the frames on top of each other, but before I do that, I need to know where I'm going to place the glue, so I'm taking a permanent marker to add a dot under the middle of each frame side. Once I have all of my dots marked, I'm going to be gluing them with this Loctite Power Grab. This is a construction glue, so it's going to be very strong to hold these lightweight frames together. I'm placing a good amount of glue on each dot because the frame sinks in around the side, so I wanted to make sure the frame that goes on top will stick to it. Wipe away any excess glue when you see it for a more clean and finished look. This is how my silver wall decor piece turned out, you guys. What do you think? I really like it and it looks better than how I imagined it would be. You can make multiple of these if you have a big wall you want to fill in. You can add it to any room in your home, and these would look gorgeous above your nightstands if you place them vertical. The ideas are endless. It doesn't look like it was from Dollar Tree, and it was super budget friendly, which makes it even better. I would love to know which DIY was your favorite, and if you recreate any of these DIYs, please tag me on Instagram at LG Queen Home Decor. These DIYs could even be a gift to someone you know that loves home decor, and I'm sure they would really appreciate it knowing you made it thinking of them. This concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed and use any of these ideas for your home decor. Thank you all so much for being here, and I'll talk to you in my next video very soon. Take care.